Hey guys, a little bit different angle today. Today I'm going to be installing some eyes in these bluegills. Thought I'd just go ahead and show you how I go about doing it. Stick along and enjoy the video. Okay, to start I just use regular epoxy sculpt. I just got a little ball of it here, working it in my fingers. Get it mixed up good. You want to make sure it's all becomes one color. It's gray and white, so once you get it mixed up together, it's totally white. Just want to make sure you mix it fully. So what I'm going to do is take just about half of this little pinch here, grab my eye, and just stick it right to the back of it. And that's going to be kind of the start of installing it. I'm going to take the other half. I'm just going to fill this eye socket on the fish just to give it some backing. We might end up having to remove some, or we might have to add a little. We'll see. We kind of play it by ear, and just kind of see how it goes. So, just going to line it up, make sure the pupil is where you want it. I like to kind of make sure it's pointing kind of right at the nose of the fish. We're just going to press it in. Make sure it's tilted forward and has the right down angle that you're looking for. That's actually really good, right where I want it. I'm going to take my tool and kind of position it exactly where I want it. It's pretty good. I'm going to mix up some more epoxy. We're just going to do a little bead of epoxy right around the eye to create that scleral band. Actually don't need a whole lot, it looks like. Okay. New camera angle again. That just wasn't working out as far as the light goes. Need to get some new lights. So I got some more epoxy sculpt mixed up here. I'm just going to work it in around the eye, build up that scleral band. Got a little water here. I'm actually going to start with what is kind of here oozing out. Okay. It's not really enough there. basically just going to mash it all in around the eye and take away what we don't want as we go. The goal here is basically to make your eye look round. So now I kind of got it all just mashed around there. I'm gonna start I like to use this flat tool. I don't know what you call it. And just kind of hold it at an angle and swipe this back towards you down over the eye. We want to make this as seamless as we can. You're basically thinning the epoxy from back to front with this flat tool. Come in here on the sides and kind of just mark out the edges, so to speak. Looks a little rough right now, but once you start smoothing it out, it comes together. Get some water on your finger, go around the edges a little bit. I think I can find a good brush. Now, we're going to take a brush, get it wet, and now we're just going to go over this with a good brush. That one had some crusty stuff on it. That ain't no good. Get some water on your brush and just start smoothing it out. This is like clumping up for some reason. Not really sure what's up with that. Once you're getting it close to where you want it, I come in here with a scalpel and just scrape away the edges where you have the edge of the eye. The iris, I believe it's called. So just getting rid of the thick edges there. Take some more. Actually, now that I did that, I'm going to spread it back over it just to make it as thin as possible. It was a little thick there on the front corner. Just about like that. Get that smoothed out, and then rinse your brush off. With a dry brush, you should be able to clean this off. And that's pretty dang good. I'm gonna get rid of some more of this down here. And it all kind of depends on the look you're going for. You know, kind of how you want your eye to be set exactly. Just about like that. And there you have it. One set eye. I mean, on a good day you can do one of these eyes in 10-15 minutes. See, I have that one kind of tilted out a little bit, like he's looking down. Like a normal swimming fish, it might not be tilted out so much. But it adds a little character. So. Just notice them on the bottom here. But there you have it. That's how I set my eyes. So, give me a like on this video, hit subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.